So I'm gonna give you guys an update regarding our day 2 challenge sa ating 500 pesos account, trading forex. So basically we made the first profit around here from Monday, and then this one was also executed Monday, pero nag-TP siya. Nag-reach siya ng TP by Tuesday, which is March 18. So basically, tina-target natin is this swing high. And then nakita natin, nag-break na siya. So this is a confirmed break of structure. Now what happened? Yesterday, so nag-TP siya yesterday, Tuesday. So we had this second winning trade. And then, nakita natin, this acts as an inducement or liquidity. This recent swing low was liquidated. Okay. So nag-decide tayo mag-buy dito because the market taps on an area of interest, which is around here. This area right here. This is acting as a demand for the market. So basically, we had this trade. Close ko na siya around this area right here after this small choppy moves. So I decided to close it. So currently we are up by $65. So yung $10 natin, which is 500 pesos, it is now at $65 mark. So basically that's around more than 3K in pesos. But yeah, we're gonna look to trade it for a whole 2 weeks. So I will update everything. And also I forget to mention that we are risking 10% per trade. Of course we are managing small accounts, so we need to upgrade our risk. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys subscribe to this channel, because at the end of this challenge we will do a GCash giveaway out of the profits that we made sa ating 2 weeks challenge trading 500 pesos account. So yun lang for now. Okay, let me share my analysis with you guys. Basically we have this new market structure. This is a confirmed swing high and then confirmed swing low. Confirmed swing low. So ibig sabihin, medyo malaki tong market structure na to, no, for a 15-minute chart. But yeah, we have this move right here. So ganyan siya. Ayusin natin para mas malinis. So we have this move. So tinitingnan natin, of course we are still bullish, is a move something like this. So nakita na natin na na-liquidate niya recent inducement, and then simply we're looking for the market to continue pushing upside. At the end of this challenge I will also share my strategy. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys can subscribe and stay tuned.